Hello, I am Lalit. Today I will show you the algorithm of intravenous injection. So let's start. First we need to wash our hands. So first take soap and then follow the same procedure. After doing this, take antiseptic and again wash your hands. Now follow the same procedure. After this, we need to wear our gloves. For this, first remove it from its packet and put it in sterile tray. Throw its packet in medical waste class A. For wearing, first we need to hold first glove with 2 fingers, then hold second gloves with 3 fingers like this and wear this. After wearing the gloves, check the expiry date and integrity of the packet for both syringe and injection. Now tear the packet and throw it in medical waste class A. Now uncap the syringe and fill it with medication. After filling this, we need to check the air bubbles if there are any air bubble present in it. Now remove the air bubbles. Now recap it and put it in sterile tray. After this, we need to uncover the arm completely and relax the patient. Then we need to apply the tourniquet and look for the suitable vein. Do like this. Wait for the vein to swell. Then take cotton wool, suck with alcohol and clear the area. Put it in medical waste class B. Again take another bowl, cotton bowl and clear the area. Again put it in medical waste class B. Now hold the syringe with 3 fingers in like this and move the needle slightly into the vein at the angle of 25 degrees and insert it. Blood will appear in the syringe. Now clear the area with cotton ball and put it in medical waste class B. Now after this, we need to remove our gloves. And put it in medical waste class B. Now sanitize our hand. Thank you.